incwajana ekhombisa ipheshana likhombisa amalungelo kamsolwa wani wawona.
Kweqiniso besacela ukucacisa okunye engazange ngikucacise kahle izolo.
That is true, but I'd like to ask for permission to explain and clarify whatever I did not clarify yesterday.
As a court, please, my lord, there is a request to clarify those aspects. You can clarify those aspects.
Okokuqala ngiphuthanise isikhathi sokuvela ngaphambi kwenkantolo ngo-72 hours instead of not 48 hours.
I made a mistake regarding the limit for the accused to appear before a magistrate. I said it was 72 hours.
Yeah, 48.
Instead of 48 hours.
He said 74 hours. Didn't you say 74?
7. Punjab.
Yalalela phela Mr. Chair. Yeah, okay, fine. So you're terrifying that you were wrong, incorrect.
Yes, I made a mistake.
Okay, yes.
Okwesibili amalungelo mangitshela umangalelo umphenyi wecala ubela eceleni ekhona naye wamtshela.
When I read the suspect his rights, the investigative officer was present and he also read the accused his rights.
Okugcina yiloko ukuthi ngiphambanise icathulo ngithe ubegcoke amachaphachapha ubegcoke ikhavela ubegcoke amachaphachapha wacela ukushintshela kukhavela athi uzogodola.
Well, I also mixed up the description of what he was wearing. He actually was wearing flip-flops and he wanted to change those and wear shoes, branded shoes, Cavella shoes, because he felt he was, with the flip-flops, he was going to feel cold.
Okay.
We just want to show you you've just referred to the notice of rights that were read to accused number 1. We just want to show you a document which my lord will mark exhibit TT1.
TT1?
Yes, TT1. Do you recognize that exhibit?
Yeah, the exhibit.
Yebo ngiyayibona.
Yes, I do see.
Yes, can you identify it?
Yes, amalungelo akhe anikezwa emaseleni.
It is a notice of rights that he was given when he was inside the cells.
Yes, Mr. Louis.
As the court pleases, it was put to Constable Jonathan by counsel for accused number 1 and 2. That the version of accused number 2 will be as follows, that regarding the incident of the 19th of June 2020 at Moroka Police Station, it was put to Constable Jonathan that there was a device used to electrocute accused number 2 on his stomach, that Constable Jonathan, Mabena, and Butelezi were taking turns exchanging roles during this process? Insofar as this might refer to you, did you in any way participate in any assault on accused number 2?
Ummeli kamsola wesibili nowokuqala nowesibili wabeka kanjena ku Constable Jonathan wathi ngomhla 19 uJune 2020 eMroka kukhona umshini abawusebenzisa lapho ukuthi ke babambise umsolwa ngogesi kusho ukuthi lo mshini lona wawulokho okuthiwa ngesilungu electrocution. Manje kuthiwa ke lapho ke wena no Constable Jonathan noma Bhena nanishintshisana ngokushokha lo mfana ngogesi.
Akwamanga lokho.
That is not true.
Ngangingekho phakathi eMoroka mina.
I was not inside in Morocco.
But the proposition that was put was the events that led to the accused appearing at Morocco police station, that during that process that accused number 2 was electrocuted, as I've just mentioned to you. What is your comment? Not necessarily at Morocco police station.
Manje lokho kwenzeka ningafika eMorocco police station lokho aholele ekutheni agcine umsolwa eseshokhiwe ngalomshini kagesi utheni ngalo.
Amanga phambi kwale nkantolo ehloniphekile.
Those are lies before this honorable court.
In fact, I think it was put to Jonathan that it was at a dumping site where there were still tanks.
Uthe lapho kwenzeka endaweni la kulahla khona udoti dumping site ngesilungu.
Amanga alihlaza.
Those are green lies.
Thank you. And just finally, you've explained to the court how you arrested accused number 1. When you arrived at Eraton offices, what was your role there?
Ngisho nje ukuthi escort.
I can just say it was escort.
But were you still actively involved in the process, or what was the position?
Manje ushuthi lapho wawusawenza yini lo msebenzi noma kunjani?
Cha, escort nje kuphela bavulela indlela.
No, it was just escorting them, just opening the way for them.
Thank you, my lord. Those are the only aspects. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Ngomezulu.